how to find random people on Snapchat or find new friends. If you want to find random people on Snapchat, then it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Snapchat application. Once you launch the Snapchat application, you will see this type of information right here. So right here, if you come to your friends section or your profile, which is a Bitmoji avatar, and all you have to do is go to add friends. When you go to add friends, under the quick add section, you'll find the people that are normally in your contacts right here. So already on contact you'll find them, but these ones right here are the ones that are random. So you can simply add random people by tapping on this add button to be able to add these random people. Once they accept your request, you'll also be connected back to them, and this way you'll be able to find random people on Snapchat. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.